people are now seeing how easily these phones are getting dented. I am not a fan of Apple's aluminum compared to the titanium that they talked about years ago, and in this video I'm going to talk about my reasoning or my theory behind why Apple decided to go back to aluminum and the downsides of that. So to start out, Apple decided to get rid of the titanium design in 3 models of the iPhone this year, but they kept it on 1. So for the 17, 17 Pro, and 17 Pro Max, Apple decided to go with an aluminum casing compared to the iPhone Air, which actually has a titanium casing. Now, you may be wondering, what is the benefit of having titanium versus aluminum? Titanium, to me, looks way better on a phone than aluminum. I think having a polished titanium is such a premium look. It's incredibly strong, it's light, and it's just a beautiful thing to have on a phone. It gives me that old stainless steel feeling that they used to have on iPhones. But with the new other models of the iPhones, they went with aluminum, and there's a big downside to that. And there are some positives, but there are a lot of downsides. So one thing that has happened with a lot of people who have purchased the 17 Pro, the Pro Max, and the 17 model is they're noticing a lot of scratching and easily denting their phone. In some stories, people are saying that even with the case on, their phone is getting bent or dented. Now, clearly that's an issue, and Apple decided to go with aluminum for those models, and surprisingly enough, the Air, the thinnest phone this year, got titanium, and it has proven to be an incredibly strong device. Now, aluminum is a great material. It's better when it comes to cooling compared to titanium. It's less expensive, so Apple is spending less money on aluminum compared to titanium. And it's just a lot easier to design and create a phone using aluminum compared to titanium, which is a stronger material. Now, when you think about it, for a model that's like a 17 Pro and a 17 Pro Max, having aluminum compared to titanium, what would Apple be thinking? What is the reason for them doing that? And I believe Apple decided to use aluminum, 1, to save on cost, but 2, I think they genuinely did want to have their phones be a lot cooler compared to having the 15 Pro Max or some of the 16s get super, super hot while people were using them heavily. Now, the problem and the compromise with that is, number 1, it's not as strong, so people are now seeing how easily these phones are getting dented and scratched. But another thing is just the actual feel and design of the look. Like when you go to the Apple store, any store, and you see the iPhone Air compared to the other models, I think there is no comparison in terms of which one looks the most just beautiful when it comes to the design. So that is one of my opinions and takes on that. So why would Apple decide to go with titanium for just an Air and then the aluminum with the other models? And I think personally, I think they needed a reason to include a reason to buy the iPhone Air. I think if they just put aluminum on the iPhone Air, I don't think, 1, many people would buy it, but 2, I think this phone would be incredibly prone to getting damaged. I think the whole bendable test would have shown how easily this phone would have broke under pressure, so I think they had to put titanium in it. Now, I really do wish they put titanium on the other models as well, because in my opinion, aluminum, I think that was something that Apple used in the past, and I don't think we should be using it today. And Apple claims that they have this new vapor chamber, and I feel like that would have been so nice with a polished titanium look, and I think people would have just liked the phones even more. So that's one of my things. I also wanted to talk about how Apple made this big claim that titanium was the newest thing. It's so much lighter, it's so strong, and they were really pushing it with the 15 models. I remember on my 15 Pro Max had that beautiful titanium, and it was something that they really wanted people to know. They really relied on that when it came to their marketing for the new phones, and then they decided now to go to aluminum. So something I notice with Apple a lot is sometimes they promote something and then they go backwards, which doesn't really make sense. So In my opinion, I think that was a big mistake this year. I think they should have went with it. They're probably just trying to save on cost. They don't want to save so much. They don't want to spend so much money. They also decided in terms of the supply chain, it's a lot easier to have aluminum. It's less money. And I think they're also going to see what people think when it comes to aluminum. But it's pretty unfortunate that some people's devices, something like the 17 Pro Max, is already bending. There was a video where someone literally showed their device and it completely was just dented, and it's just not a good look. But to me, aluminum is just not it. Now, for the people that do like aluminum, there are some benefits compared to titanium. So one is you're not going to see as many fingerprint marks, because especially when you have something like the iPhone Air with that polished titanium, you are going to notice your fingerprints a lot more on the device compared to something like aluminum, which is obviously kind of a downside. But at the same time, this phone is just so nice with the polished titanium. It's incredible. And some people said that the titanium scratches more easily. I don't really agree with that. If you watch Jerry Riggs' video, it's clearly that aluminum is a lot more prone to scratches compared to titanium. So it's kind of odd that people were talking about that in some of their videos. So really, I'm not a huge fan. And another reason why some people may think that titanium is not as good as aluminum is it's harder to create different colors for an iPhone with titanium compared to aluminum. However, I am not a big fan of some of the colors that they went with for the 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. To me, the orange doesn't look good whatsoever. I saw it in store, was not a fan of it. I actually ordered the 17 Pro in silver. I know the blue was an okay color, but I thought the silver, to me personally, looked the best out of the three different colors. And obviously the 17 has a lot of different colors like green and lavender and things like that. But comment down below, are you a fan of Apple going back to aluminum? Are you not a fan, and do you wish that all the models had titanium? I'm really curious, and please comment down below, because to me, I really wish they went with titanium. But I guess we'll see maybe in the future models if they go back to that design, or if we're just going to stick with aluminum moving forward. Maybe stainless steel will make a comeback. I don't know. But thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it, and stay tuned for the next video.